Unveiling goals and highlighting achievements. That was the core of Atlanta Mayor Keisha Lance Bottoms' State of the City address during her virtual message. Mayor Bottoms vowing to make changes to protect the people of Atlanta by focusing on three big issues: rising crime in the city, police reform, and affordable housing. Mara Sirianni joining us to walk us through the latest data on violent crime in Atlanta. And Mara, how does the mayor plan to tackle this really big issue?
Well, Mayor Bottoms called gun violence a public health emergency. And for starters, she says she wants to strengthen the relationship between police officers and the community.
This year alone, major cities across the country, including Atlanta, have seen a rise in murders and aggravated assault.
APD data shows homicides are up 63% and aggravated assaults are up 43% from last year. Some solutions beginning July 1st. Mayor Bottoms says the city plans to hire 250 new police officers and offer retention bonuses to keep officers from leaving. She also says in the works building a new public safety training facility. The Atlanta Police Foundation CEO says those efforts will boost morale in the department, something heavily impacted after fallout between officers and residents following social unrest last summer.
That will immediately put a spring in the step of every Atlanta police officer, because they will know the city of Atlanta is behind them. They care for them. They're going to be increasing the staffing numbers to give them help.
Bottoms also placing a focus on police reform, calling it, quote, a change of culture in policing.
Those guidelines call for a change in culture in policing and embraces working with communities to tackle the root causes of crime.
City Council President Felicia Moore responding to the mayor's address. She says Mayor Bottoms talked a lot about working with local leaders and the community to solve problems, but Moore says she's only met with Mayor Bottoms twice in a little more than 3 years.
The focus has been more on what is happening nationally and not focus on what's happening locally.
At the end of the day, Bottoms says tackling crime is a community effort. And Mayor Bottoms talked a lot. She had a lot of different topics really to discuss, and we have a full breakdown and recap right now of the state of the city on 11alive.com. Shiva?
Yeah, it certainly is chock full. Mara, thank you. Mayor Bottoms also focusing on the city's commitment to residents looking for affordable housing. She says in January she signed legislation to give the city access to an additional $100 million in new bond funding for affordable housing. To date, the city has more than 6,000 new and preserved affordable homes. The mayor says her goal is to build or renovate 20,000 affordable homes throughout Atlanta.